Are you tired of the awful smell in your piggery? Tired of spending money on antibiotics and disinfectants? What if I told you there's a natural, cheap, and powerful solution that pig farmers around the world are now using to keep their farms clean, odor-free, and profitable? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use IMO, indigenous microorganisms, in your piggery, step by step. Trust me, this will change your farming game forever. Imagine a pig house that smells fresh, that doesn't need daily cleaning, where pigs grow faster and stay healthier without chemicals. This is not a dream. It's real, and it's already working for smart farmers across Asia and Africa. Stay with me as I break down how you can collect microbes from your local forest, grow them, and turn your piggery into a clean, green machine. IMO stands for indigenous microorganisms. These are friendly microbes found in your natural environment, like soil, leaves, and compost. They help decompose waste, kill bad bacteria, and create a healthy environment for your pigs. Instead of using chemicals to clean your pen, you use these powerful microorganisms to naturally break down pig waste, control odor, and boost your pig's health. Let's start with how to collect IMO from your environment. This is the first stage, called IMO 1. Materials: cooked white rice, wooden box or clay pot, mesh or clean cloth, rubber band or string. Steps: 1. Put warm, cooked white rice into the wooden box. 2. Cover the top with a cloth and tie it with string. 3. Place the box on the forest floor, under dry leaves or near decomposing wood. Leave it there for 3 to 5 days. When you open it, you should see white, yellow, or gray molds growing on the rice. Don't worry, this is exactly what we want. These are our friendly microbes. Next is IMO 2. This is where we feed our microbes with brown sugar to preserve and grow them. Materials: your IMO 1, the moldy rice, brown sugar or molasses, equal weight. Steps: 1. Mix the IMO 1 with an equal amount of brown sugar. 2. Place it in a plastic or glass container with a loose cover. 3. Store it in a cool, shaded place for 5 to 7 days. Now you've made IMO 2, which you can keep for months. It will smell sweet and fermented. That's a good sign. Now let's multiply our microbes with food. This stage is called IMO 3. Materials: IMO 2, rice bran, wheat bran, or corn husk. Clean water. Steps: 1. Mix IMO 2 with rice bran and sprinkle some water. 2. The mix should feel like a squeezed sponge, not too wet. 3. Cover with sack or cloth. Leave to ferment for 5 to 7 days. The microbes will grow fast, and the material will have a nice earthy smell. Congratulations! You now have IMO 3. This is where the magic happens. You're going to use IMO 3 to create a clean, odor-free pig house. Materials: IMO 3, sawdust, rice husks, dry leaves, charcoal dust. Carbon materials: optional, fermented plant juice or lactic acid bacteria. Steps: 1. Mix IMO3 with sawdust or rice husks. 2. Lay this mixture as bedding on the floor of the pig pen, at least 30 centimeters deep. 3. Let the pigs walk and poop directly on the bedding. 4th, turn or rake the bedding every few days for aeration. What happens next is amazing. The microbes in the bedding will eat up the pig waste, killing the smell and harmful bacteria. No more daily cleaning. The floor stays dry, the air stays fresh, and your pigs stay happy. Benefits: no bad odor, no flies, less disease, healthier pigs, reduced antibiotic use, faster growth and weight gain, less labor and cost. Some farmers say their pigs grow 30% faster on IMO bedding because they're less stressed and healthier. To keep the system working, here are some tips. Maintenance: turn bedding once a week to keep it aerobic. Add fresh carbon materials every few weeks. Add more IMO if the smell returns. Keep the bedding moist, but not wet. After 3 to 6 months, remove the bedding and use it as organic compost. IMO is more than just a farming method. It's a revolution. You can save money, protect the environment, and raise healthier animals using the power of nature. So, what are you waiting for? Start making your own IMO today and turn your piggery into a natural, odor-free, and profitable farm. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with other farmers. Drop a comment below if you want a video on how to make natural pig feed. Thanks for watching, and remember, farming smart is better than farming hard.